So I didn't do a video on lift placement, or maybe I did, but here's a situation. The house is, you can see how close I'm coming to the house. Now I could go higher, and that would give me more distance, and then down there, we got the tree there, and that's dead. We still got it there. And we're missing that by just a few inches when we're down further. So this was kind of lucky because honestly I thought for sure it would fit between here, and it really is closer than I thought, but it worked. So another thing to think about when you're figuring out where to put the legs is how you're going to be able to turn. Now you can go way up, that'll bring that in, and then this one can go in also, so we can fit a narrower spot. So there's ways around it, but lift placement is important. Okay, so calling it quits for the day, but we do have more priming to do. We can work on tomorrow. The bees are still really trying to get in, but I don't think they are, but maybe, I don't know. We'll look at it tomorrow. I'm not going to go up there now. I don't have protection on. Okay, let's take it down and put the tools away.